Good morning, it's Friday, October the 29th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases, along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them, and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, it's Friday. It means we're getting ready to head into the weekend, hopefully catch some great NFL football. But before we do that, I've got 4 great press releases for you. 3 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side, and I've got 1 halt to report on in the second segment of the show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story, and it's a big one. I haven't seen numbers like this in a very long time. Comes out of a company called VMS Ventures. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol VMS. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, when you hear the numbers, you'll be blown away. The company is announcing their latest drill and assay results from holes number 3 and 4. It's an infill program from their drill program at the Reed Lake deposit near Snow Lake, Manitoba. Get this, folks. We've got hole number 3, which returned 6.7% copper over 72 meters. So once again, 6.7% copper over 72 meters. That's a huge number. Great concentrations and a great intercept. We've also got hole number 3, which returned 3.7% copper over 21%. Again, that's no slouch. So terrific results coming out of VMS this morning. It's the first phase of drilling at the Reed Lake project, and it's under a joint venture with none other than Hudbay. They're one of the big boys in the area. They're also a publicly traded company on the TSX under the symbol HBM. So Hudbay currently owns 70% in the joint venture interest, and Hudbay holds 30%. A little bit about the company. They're focused primarily on acquiring, exploring, and developing copper, zinc, gold, silver, massive sulfide deposits in the Flin Flon Snow Lake VMS belt of Manitoba. That's a mouthful. Company's last at 49 cents. After this news came out at approximately 327, the company jumped 60%. I think it's up from 30 cents up to 49 cents now. Their high is 49 cents, so they're trading at their high. They've established that new 52-week high yesterday, and their low is 20 cents. Market cap of approximately $56 million. Moving on to our next company, Timberline. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol TBR. They also trade on the New York Stock Exchange Amex under the symbol TLR. The company is announcing final drill results from a 2010 surface exploration drill program at their Butte Highlands joint venture property, which is located in Montana. It's a 7-hole drill program, and within that program, we've got 3 holes within the mineralized envelope, and the other 4 holes were drilled outside the envelope to test for potential extensions in the mineralized zone. Got some highlights here for you. Hole number 2, which returned 3 meters of 270 grams per ton of gold. The intercept isn't very big, but the concentration is exceptional. We've got hole number 11, which returned 4.3 meters of 27 grams per ton of gold, and hole number 12, which was 4.5 meters of 26 grams per ton of gold. So all in all, very respectable numbers. A little bit about the company. They're a U.S.-based exploration development company with focus on advanced stage precious metals properties, last at $1.17. High of $1.45, low of 9 cents, market cap of approximately $65 million. Moving on to our next company, Peregrine Diamonds. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol PGD. Today they're announcing that they've recovered a diamond in excess of 1 carat, so it's actually 1.15 carat diamond, and that's from an 840 kilogram micro diamond sample collected on the estimated 5-hectare CH31 kimberlite. It's significant because it's the largest on there, and it's out of an 840 kilogram sample. They yielded a total of 233 diamonds larger than 10 millimeters, so not, or 0.10 millimeters, so not particularly big. And included within that, they've got 5 diamonds larger than the 0.85 millimeter sieve. Company is last at $2.35, high of $2.74, low of $1.38, market cap of approximately $87 million. And finally, we've got Metalico. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange Amex under the symbol MEA. They're announcing financial results. We've got year-over-year comparison of the third quarter 2009, which shows that they've got continued improving metrics. So I'll go over those highlights with you, which include sales increased 50% to $137 million. It's an increase of $45 million over the previous year. EBITDA rose 22% to $13.8 million. Operating income increased 25% to $9.6 million, and net income was $4.5 million, or 10 cents per diluted share, compared to $2.7 million year over year. A little bit about the company. They are a holding company with operations in 2 principal business segments: ferrous and non-ferrous scrap metal recycling, and fabrication of lead-based products. They're last at 467, high of 709, low of 307, market cap of approximately $217 million. We got one halt for you, Creso Exploration. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol CXT. They are halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Have a tremendous weekend. Hopefully you have some fun with the family, the kids. Get out there and have a safe and happy Halloween. It's taking place this Sunday. So we'll catch you again here on Monday. All the best.